Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So on this video we are going to learn how to mark hidden engulfing. So hidden engulfing is the second most powerful setup right after high liquidity zone, which is also called ABC. In in my previous video, I have already taught you how to mark HLZ and how to take trade on it, how to set TP, how to set XL. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch it. So after HLZ, we have the second most powerful technique, which is called hidden engulfing. So let me teach you how to mark an hidden engulfing. So we already know that this is an engulfing buy zone. And now let's say the price is moving, and now the price has reached the engulfing say engulfing buy setup. And after reaching engulfing buy setup, let's imagine now let's say that this bearish candle has broken the engulfing buy zone. Engulfing buy zone which broke by this particular red candle. So now we already know that this is an engulfing buy fail zone. As I have already taught you in engulfing fail zone video, we know that this is an engulfing buy fail. So to make it a hidden buy zone, we need a green candle which closes above this zone. Above this point. On engulfing fail zone video, I have said you that the candle should not close above this. If it closes above it, it becomes invalid. So now we can see that this blue candle has broken above the zone. So now it has become hidden engulfing buy. This zone will be used to find buy setup. This zone will be used as buy setup. As soon as price retests here, you can take buy trades or you can also take a buy trade here, where your SL will be below this point. And TP will be according to time frame. If it is M15 time frame, the minimum TP will be 30. If it is H1, it is 50. If it is H4, it is 80 or 100 pips. Or you can also trade based on zone to zone. So this is basically a hidden buy setup. Engulfing buy which fails again. This is hidden engulfing buy. What is engulfing cell? Hidden engulfing cell is similar, just it's quite opposite to it. Now here we have a simple engulfing cell zone and price is moving, and now price reaches this zone and broke it. This bullish candle broke this zone. Now what is this zone? This zone is engulfing sell fail zone. We know that this zone will be used for buy, but what we need? We need an hidden engulfing sell. So just like before, here if a bearish candle closes below this point, a bearish candle closes below this point. Now as you can see, a red candle closed below this zone. Now it has become an hidden engulfing cell. Now this zone will be again used for selling purpose. You can take trade here or you can wait for retest until here and take trade here. Okay. This is hidden engulfing buy zone and this is hidden engulfing sell zone. So let's move to examples. I'll show you how to mark in live. So I'm on 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, there is an engulfing cell here. You can see, right, there is an engulfing cell here, and this bullish candle broke this engulfing cell. Now we know that this zone is an engulfing cell fail, and we know that this is used for buying purpose. And if you can see, after the closure of candle, the price retested this zone and also gave us 70 pips. And again, this zone has broken this particular black candle or a candle. You can see this, the big candle. This candle closed below this point. This black candle closed below this point. So now we know that this is now engulfing cell failed, which failed again. Therefore, this is an engulfing cell. And as you can see, the price retested this zone and dropped like from here to here, 170 pips. Price drops 170 pips from hidden engulfing cell. Okay, where would be your TP? Your TP would be 10 pips above this zone. 10 pips above this zone. Here you can see that the price closed 140 pips below this zone. So obviously you can take trade here, because if you take trade here, you have to put your SL like 150 pips above. So it's better to wait for a retest. And as you can see, the price did retest here and then dropped 140 pips once again. So this is how you mark an hidden engulfing cell. I'll also show you how to mark an hidden engulfing buy. You can see that this here we have an engulfing buy zone and it broke, and this black candle broke it. This is an engulfing buy fail. And once again, this blue candle broke this engulfing buy zone. Engulfing buy fail, which broke again. Now we know that this is an engulfing, hidden engulfing buy. So where will you take your trade? You will take your trade either here or you will wait for retest at here on starting price of your zone. And your SL will be 10 pips below this point. Your SL will be here, 10 pips below this zone. And as you can see, this zone gave us so much pips. From here to 100 pips. And once again, from here, it gave us more than 250 pips. So this is how you mark hidden engulfing buy and hidden engulfing sell. The preferable time frame to mark and hidden engulfing is H1 or H4. You can also take confirmations on M15. If it is M1, you should take confluence of ABC and hidden engulfing. Then it will give you best results. I hope you have learned how to mark hidden engulfing zone from this video. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.